You've probably already heard the buzz. Elon Musk and his XAI team just dropped Grok 4. And it's not just another AI model. Some are calling it smarter than PhDs. Others say it's a serious leap toward AGI. But is it really that good? Or just more hype? In this video, we're diving deep, no fluff, into Grok 4, its performance, its pricing, its crazy benchmarks, and whether you should care. Let's jump in. Grok 4 is XAI's newest language model. It's a reasoning model, not just a chatbot. According to the team, it's the smartest model they've released so far. And it doesn't just compete with other AIs, it actually competes with humans. Compared to its predecessor Grok 2, Grok 4 has 100 times more training data and uses 10 times more reinforcement learning compute than any AI on the market right now. That's not a small upgrade, it's an explosion. Let's talk benchmarks, because this is where Grok 4 really shines. Grok 4 scored 87.5% on the GPQA Diamond, beating Gemini 2.5 Pro. That's graduate-level question answering. Law, physics, medicine, crushed. On the Humanity Last Exam, it scored 25.4%, the highest of any AI model to date. It also hit 87% on MMLU Pro. That's over 57 professional-level subjects. And a whopping 94% on AIME 2025, which is high school Olympiad-level math. That's elite. And in coding, Grok 4 absolutely destroyed the competition in live code bench with a score of 79.4%, while the next best model sat at just 74.2%. So yeah, when it comes to benchmarks, Grok 4 is at the top of the food chain. Of course, no model is perfect. Grok 4 does have one drawback. It's a bit slower. Its latency, or time to first token, sits at 13.58 seconds. That's slightly slower than OpenAI's O4 Mini, and equal to Claude's Sonnet 4. Now let's talk money. Grok 4's pricing is the same as Grok 3, $3 per million input tokens and $15 per million output tokens. But if you go beyond 128K tokens, it doubles. You can access the standard Grok 4 on SuperGrok for $30 a month or $300 a year. But if you want to use Grok 4 Heavy, the multi-agent powerhouse version, you'll need the SuperGrok Heavy plan, which costs $300 per month, or $3,000 per year. Not cheap, but what it delivers might just be worth it. So what's the difference between Grok 4 and Grok 4 Heavy? Grok 4 is a generalist model, great for writing, reasoning, problem solving. But Grok 4 Heavy? That's a beast. It runs multiple AI agents in parallel, all analyzing a task and coming up with the best solution. Like a mini think tank. This is built for heavy research, complex analysis, and decision-making tasks where precision matters. Now the big question, does Grok 4 achieve AGI? If you're new to this, AGI, Artificial General Intelligence, means an AI that thinks, creates, and solves problems like a human brain. We're not there yet, but Grok 4 is close. It's the first model to break 15% on the ARC AGI benchmark, the benchmark designed to track progress toward AGI. And that's not all. XAI tested it in a real-world simulation called Vending Bench, where Grok 4 ran a simulated small business, restocking inventory, managing suppliers, adjusting prices. The result? Grok 4 generated twice the revenue of its top competitor, Claude Opus 4. This model isn't just answering questions, it's thinking.
With respect to academic questions, Grok 4 is better than PhD level in every subject, no exceptions. Now, this doesn't mean that times it may lack common sense, and it has not yet invented new technologies or discovered new physics, but that is just a matter of time.
With respect to academic questions, Grok 4 is better than PhD levels in every subject, no exceptions. Yes, Elon said it, and the community seems to agree. Since its release, developers and researchers have already started building serious tools with Grok 4, and the results have been, well, insane. Here's what makes Grok 4 special: agentic design. That means it doesn't just respond, it plans. It breaks problems into steps, picks tools, and makes decisive actions. It has about 99% accuracy in choosing the right tool and calling it with the correct arguments. Basically, it thinks before it acts, which puts it ahead of most models available today. Of course, no AI is perfect. Grok 4 still lags behind in multimodal capabilities like image generation and understanding, especially compared to models like O3 or Claude 4. And one thing users hate? Rate limits. After just 2 to 3 prompts, you might get rate limited for a few minutes, which is frustrating when you're deep in research or coding. So what's next for Grok and XAI? Here's what's on the roadmap. Grok Code, launching next month. Grok Multimodal and Browsing Agent in September. Grok Video Generation by October. If you're into coding, it might be worth waiting just one more month. So, is Grok 4 worth it? If you need raw reasoning, research support, or data analysis, this is probably the best model you can access right now. It's not yet AGI, but it's one massive leap forward. And with models like this, that future might be closer than we think.